Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Javed Sir before you. We are going to study a new lesson, Achilles. It's in the class 8th English textbook there. Let's have an introduction about this Achilles. Achilles was a handsome Greek hero. Achilles was a handsome Greek hero. Handsome means someone who has a good appearance. He was Greek. Greek means any inhabitant or resident of Greece. According to Greek mythology, according to Greek history, mythology here means a body of myths. These are stories about human beings, superhuman beings, but in ancient cultures, the people took them as true. This is called mythology. According to Greek mythology, when Achilles was born, his mother held him by his heel. His mother held him by his heels and dipped him in the river Styx. She dipped Achilles in the river Styx so that he could live forever. So that Achilles could live forever. River Styx is a holy river in Greece, just like we have river Ganga here in India, which we consider a river and a goddess too. As a result, his heel was the only part of his body which was not washed by the holy water. All the parts of his body, in fact, his whole body was dipped in the waters except his heels. The heels did not took a dip in the water. Years later, after surviving many battles, Achilles, he became a great soldier. He fought many battles. He survived in those battles. Achilles finally died after an arrow struck him on his heel. Finally, Achilles died when an arrow struck on his heels. The heels were very weak part of his body because they had not taken the dip in river Styx. Achilles finally died after an arrow struck him on his heel. This is also the source of expression. And this Achilles heel, by saying Achilles heel, this is an expression here. Expression, muhavara. Heel, which means having a serious weakness. When we say Achilles heel, you mean that someone has a serious weakness. इसकी बहुत बड़ी खामी है ये, नाकम मतलब कमज़ोरी है ये. Why do Now let's come to the story. Why do you think the boy in this story named his pet Achilles? Here's a boy in this story who had named his pet Achilles. His pet was a tortoise. What characters do you think the tortoise has? So there are some questions for us. The story teller tells us that what characters you think that the Achilles has, which earns the tortoise has, which earns him name. Because in the story, a tortoise has been named as Achilles. Let us read the story to find out. Let us read the story. Perhaps one of the most weird and fascinating characters I met during my travels was the Rose Beetle Man, the narrator of the story. This is Dalil Vanan. The narrator of the story tells us it is Gerald Durrell who is the narrator of the story. Gerald Durrell. The narrator of the story tells us that one of the most weird, जो मैंने मतलब अजीब गरीब चीज़ देखी, weird and fascinating, और जो मैंने दिलचस्प चीज़ देखी. Weird means अजीब and fascinating means दिलचस्प. I met during my travels, जब मैं घूमा हूँ दुनिया को, जो मैंने सबसे जो अनोखी चीज़ देखी, अजीब चीज़ देखी और दिलचस्प दिलचस्प चीज़ देखी है during my travels was the Rose Beetle Man. He was the Rose Beetle Man. He is a character here. Rose Beetle Man here is a character. He is a strange character here who dresses eccentrically, is an ajib garib palo lagan chu, and never speaks. And in the story, he never speaks. But he plays the flute. It's a naivayan and sings in a strange nasal voice. He sells pets. यथ मज पेट पालतू जानवर कनन वोल नफर अख आसन. Besides this Rose Beetle Man, there is Achilles a tortoise. यथ मज अख tortoise अख कछु यमिस नाव Achilles छु. Besides there is a dog whose name is Roger. Yetन छु Roger अख dog ते यत छु यथ मज character. And there is a narrator. Bे छु यथ मज दलील वनन वोल. यत छु character अख. He had a fairy tale air about him. أمِس مُتعلِق آسہٕ عجیٖب غریٖب کَتھٕ دٔلیٖلہٕ لُکو تھَمژٕ أمِس روز بیٖٹل مینَس مُتعلِق. دیٹ واز اِمپاسِبٕل ٹُو رِزِسٹ اینڈ اِٹ واز اِمپاسِبٕل ٹُو رَجِسٹ دوز ٹیلٕز. تہٕ کٕہٕنۍ اِنسان ہیٚکہِ نہٕ تِمن دٔلیٖلن نِش ژٔلِتھ. ہر کانٛہہ اوس یژھان یِم بوزُن. اینڈ آی یوٗز ٹُو لُک فاروٲڈ ایٖگرلی ٹُو ماے میٖٹِنٛگٕس وِتھ ہِم. اینڈ آی یوٗز ٹُو نیریٹر چھُ وَنان آی یوٗز ٹُو لُک فاروٲڈ ایٖگرلی ٹُو ماے میٖٹِنٛگٕس وِتھ ہِم. بہٕ اوسُس آسان پیاران بہٕ کَرٕ سَمکھٕ أمِس. آی فٔسٹ سا ہِم آن دَ لونلی روڈ لیٖڈِنٛگ ٹُو وَن آف دَ رِموٹ ماوُنٹین وِلیجِز. مےٚ وٕچھ گۄڈنِکۍ لَٹہِ سُہ آن اے لونلی روڈ أکِس الگ روڈَس پٮ۪ٹھ تنہا روڈَس أکِس پٮ۪ٹھ لیٖڈِنٛگ ٹُو وَن آف دَ رِموٹ ماوُنٹین وِلیجِز. یُس زَن دوٗر أکِس پوٚت کھورِ گامَس کُن بالَس پٮ۪ٹھ گوٚژھ گام اَکھ تُکُن اوس یہِ روڈ گژھان. آی کوٚڈ ہِیَر ہِم لانٛگ بِفور آی کوٚڈ سی ہِم. مےٚ وٕچھ بوٗز أمۍ سٕنٛز آوازٕے گۄڈٕ تہٕ اَدٕ وٕچھ مےٚ یہِ. فار ہی واز پٕلینٛگ اے رِپلِنٛگ ٹیوٗن آن اے شَفٲڈٕس پایِپ. فار کیٛازِ ہی واز پٕلینٛگ یہِ اوس وَنان اے رِپلِنٛگ ٹیوٗن. أمۍ ٲس مطلب بانسُری اوس یہِ بَڑان آن اے شَفٲڈٕس پایِپ. شَفٲڈٕس پایِپ گٔے بانسُری نَیہِ اوس یہِ وایان. برٛیکِنٛگ آف نَو اینڈ دٮ۪ن ٹُو سِنٛگ اے فیوٗ وٲڈٕس اِن اے کیوٗریَس نیزَل وایِس. تہٕ یہِ اوس دٔلیٖلہٕ وَنان یہِ اوس یِم بٲتھ وَنان بَڑٕ شوقہٕ سان نیزَل وایِس. نہ سِکہِ اوس مگر آواز